This is the heavy-duty gas pressure washer that's built for big outdoor cleaning jobs. The product page lists it as the Powerhorse Gas Cold Water Pressure Washer, 3400 psi, 2.7 GPM, maintenance-free axial pump, steel tube frame. It's positioned as a productive, semi-professional unit with a Powerhorse 212 cubic centimeters OHV engine and a maintenance-free direct drive axial cam pump, so you don't have to worry about frequent pump servicing. The Amazon listing highlights the kart-style frame with 10 flat-free tires for easier maneuvering and a hose length that suits most driveways and decks. If you are filming a review video, open by demonstrating what 3400 psi feels like on a typical driveway or fence. Viewers want to see real cleaning power, not just numbers. Customer feedback on the page emphasizes the washer's cleaning performance and engine power. Many buyers note how quickly it blasts away grime and how the machine holds steady under heavy use. That said, a few reviews call out the unit's weight and the assembly setup steps as areas that demand attention. Expect some buyers to need to people for unboxing and wheel handle assembly. When discussing pros and cons, highlight the pros: solid cleaning power, 3400 psi, dependable engine, and the maintenance-free pump. For cons, it's heavy, not ideal if you need a lightweight, ultra-portable washer. Possible noise like other gas models, and replacement parts are something to check with the seller if you live far from service centers. End with practical buying advice: compare price with similar 3000 to 3400 psi models, check if the vendor provides local service or replacement parts, and remind viewers about safety. Use safety goggles and pressure washer rated clothing when testing. As usual, we share buy links in description box.